Good morning, sir. So today, sir, I made a new robot activity, and so it is called the speed control robot using potentiometer. So, sir, I have connected a potentiometer, and so I've connected the pins and everything, sir. The basic connections is done, sir. And sir, so whenever I turn the potentiometer's knob, if I move it anti-clockwise, if it's turned fully anti-clockwise, the robot will be stopped because there's no voltage given to the robot. So sir, if I turn it clockwise, slowly, if I turn it clockwise, the wheels will be moving slowly because I give a very small voltage to the robot. And so if I turn the knob to the max, it will be moving in a very fast speed. So sir, I'll show you the output. So I'll show you some wheels, sir. So now I'm turning my potentiometer knob. So now the L29 3D motor got some voltage, so it's moving very slowly. And so I'm gonna turn a bit more now, like this. So now it increased a little, and so now I'm gonna give a bit more voltage. So now it's moving a bit more faster. So now I gave a required amount of voltage. So now it's moving in average speed. So now it's moving in this max speed. So you can see both the wheels, both sides. And sir, now let's say that I want to reduce the speed. I will turn the knob anti-clockwise. Now sir, it became a bit slow. Now it's a bit more slow. Now it's really slow. And I stopped it. It stopped. Yes sir, so this is the activity I did today. Thank you.